Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Delicious, fast, healthy, and fit is what Chef Pachi brings to you in chicken wings. Can you believe it? Yes, these are the best chicken wings ever, and you can have them from beginning to end in 20 minutes. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna season our chicken wings with a tablespoon of sumac and a tablespoon of ZATAR. We're gonna drizzle a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper, 3 chopped scallions, and 3 celery stalks we cut and place in the bottom of the pot. I am using an Instant Pot pressure cooker. In here, they're gonna cook for 8 minutes only. That's it. They're super fast. If you want to cook them in a regular pot, you're gonna have to add 4 to 6 cups of water so that all of your chicken wings are covered. Once you're covered, you add your wine, 1 cup of wine. Then you bring the water to a boil, and once it boils, you cover the pot. Turn it off and wait for 20 minutes, and then they are perfectly cooked. If we're using an Instant Pot, we're only gonna add wine, and this is gonna be it. We're gonna cover the pot, cook for 8 minutes at high pressure, and voila, you have perfect, amazing chicken wings. You're gonna have these spicy wings that you're gonna love. Right now, you can take out the skin of the wings. It is no problem. You will not lose flavor. Your flavor will still be there because we've been cooking them with pressure, and all of the seasonings are deep inside each and every spicy wing. Now we preheat the oven to 425, and once it's very hot, we put our chicken wings in the baking pan. Then we wait until they are all golden crispy and delicious. We can serve our wings over greens like a salad. We can also serve our wings for our friends to dip in this delicious and healthy spicy sauce. It takes 30 seconds to make. We're gonna mix half a cup of plain yogurt, good delicious organic yogurt that has all those great properties for your tummy, with some chili garlic sauce, a pinch of ZATAR, and that's it. They are so good. You and your friends are gonna love them any time of the day, any day of the year. You can remove the skin of each of these wings once they're cooked. There's no trouble, just pull them apart, touch them, and it comes off super easy. Remember, the Chef Pachi, delicious diets, sustainable diets. Enjoy! Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.